If you will be writing WAEC this year, your timetable is out and I will send it to you. So first, I want to congratulate you for registering for the exam all through JS1. Now you are in SS3 and you are writing your WAEC. We at Noble Tutorials, we wish you good luck in advance. So I will send you the timetable as a PDF to your WhatsApp. But before then, I will show you how you can get it on your WhatsApp. I want to share a few things you need to know. Now that you are writing exam, always ensure that you are in the exam hall 30 minutes before the exam starts. 30 minutes before the exam starts. Be in the hall. Number 2, you should bring all your materials like math set, calculator, everything you need. It's not, borrowing will not be allowed. WAEC doesn't normally allow borrowing, even NECO. So, and number 3, don't bring any phone to the exam hall or any electronic device. WAEC always says no to that. Write your name, index number, signature, everything, all your registration number. Write it clearly on your answer sheet and your examination paper. Number 5, follow instructions of the supervisor and the invigilator during the exam. If they say stand up, stand up. If they say sit, sit. Then before you begin to answer, always find out the instruction on the question. Now, if you want me to send you the timetable, what you will simply do is subscribe to this YouTube channel. Just go to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Click on subscribe. Invite your friends, other candidates to also subscribe. Then send a comment. Comment below this particular video you are watching and say that you have subscribed. Then I will ask you to send me your WhatsApp line, with which I will now send you the timetable as a PDF, which you can now print out. Do you understand? Now, other things you need to know as you are writing this exam is, number 1, keep reading your books, your notebooks and your textbook. Number 2, buy past questions and read. Number 3, join a study group, 1 or 2 persons you can be reading with. You can also join our online study group. If you want to join, let me know. Number 3, seek guidance from those that have written the exam. Seek guidance from your teachers. Number 4, the topics you are good in, keep reading them. The topics you are not good in, the subjects that you are not good in, pay more attention to them. Then focus on the timetable, follow the timetable, then always pray. We wish you success in this exam. Remember, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Tell me that you have subscribed and I will send you this PDF containing the timetable. I will send you the timetable of the WAEC. Remember, if you subscribe to our channel, you will be able to see several past questions we have done on WAEC that will help you. Subscribe now, comment, and I will send you the new timetable to you immediately.